A piston engine turns repeated pressure pulses into smooth rotary motion. Inside one cylinder, a piston connects through a rod to a rotating crankshaft. On the intake stroke, the piston descends and draws in an air-fuel mixture. Next, both valves close and the rising piston compresses the mixture. A spark ignites it, expanding hot gas pushes the piston down, producing the power stroke. Finally, the piston rises again and forces exhaust gas through the open exhaust valve. One complete cycle takes 2 crankshaft revolutions, while real engines lose energy through heat, friction, and pumping.